Welcome to another Paybox Timers website navigation video. Today we will be demonstrating how to use the prepaid code tab. This feature allows you to offer your tenants cashless payments and no transaction fees with our Paybox devices. To find our blue tab that says Add New Prepaid. From there we are going to be prompted to enter our tenant's email, their phone number, and their name. And then I'm going to create a code for them to use. In this case, I'm going to use the number 4343, which would seem easy to remember. And in this scenario, they have already given me $25, so I'm going to add that to their account. I click Save, and now my tenant is in the system, as we can see. We have given them a code to use, and we also have their balance. And now we're going to go ahead and create another prepaid tab for another tenant. And this time, this is Sally, and we are entering in again her email, and then I'm going to create a different code. Make sure to remember to put the tenant's phone number and their name and the amount that they have given you. She's a fan of baseball, so rather than using an alphanumeric code, I'm going to use the phrase baseball. That's saved, and there you can see all the information is presented in front of you. And then when we have to go and make a little adjustment, that is also easily done. All we need to do is click on the individual tenant and their information will appear. And in this scenario, we are going to add more funds onto their account. As you can see, I am adding $5 into Frank's account, giving us the updated balance. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And you can repeat this process to any codes you have running, and so it's very easy to make adjustments as necessary when adding funds or making changes. And of course, people come and go, so if a tenant has left or moved on and we need to remove them from the system, all we're going to do is click the box on the left-hand side, go to the Delete Selected, and it will ask for a confirmation. We will confirm, and that has removed them from the system. And that brings us to the end of today's demonstration video. Hope that helps.